exciting and new. Come aboard, we're expecting you. And love, life's sweetest reward, let it flow, it floats back to you. Is something for everyone. Set a course for adventure, your mind on a new road.